Yo, what up? It's me, Savage. I'm back at it again. Early in the morning. I'm doing this one to You Be Killing It by Fabulous. It's on my SoundCloud, but for people that haven't heard it, Eric Garger. Yo. 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 Yo, got that extended clip, nigga, an extra movie trailer. I keep the thick red on, I get the darkest later. It's just the light skinned girls, nigga, I can't lie. And nigga, when I'm at my low, nigga, I still be hot. Okay, I'm strapped up, strap you like a seatbelt. 32, hollow tip, nigga, let the heat melt. Now the nigga laid down, he can't say how he felt. Keep my shawty racked up, nigga, like I'm Meek Mill. All I do is pop, then smoking till my lungs gone. Riding in my drop head, killing them like gun smoke. America, America, shoot you up and bury you. Finger to the 5-0, finger to the federals. Talk a lot and talk in front of judges, I don't talk none. Running like I stole some, but I bought a whole bunch. Niggas say they poppin', but where your rubber bands at? Nigga, look who running things, y'all don't understand that. Niggas can't stand me, girls wanna man me. All black nigga looking like I'm a chimpanzee. All fingers salute me, call a nigga to shoot me. Spitting my heart out like I'm trying to lose a tooth, see? You see my life is like a movie. And niggas wanna take the credits. Pay cash on site, I don't like the debit. Pictures on your girl wall, real savage fetish. I spit the truth, nigga. In the booth, nigga. It's real in the field. You a cartoon, nigga. Goons, nigga, right beside me, ready to bust some. If you cross me in the wrong way, then you get touched up. I get cash, no BS. Playing with you niggas live like Nintendo DS. Playing with the Benjamin like my nigga at recess. Streets, youngest savage, MMG. We next, clean next to clean up you niggas that need us. I'm smoking that loud, nigga, I need to re-up. Say clean next to clean up you niggas that need us. And smoking that loud, nigga, I need to re-up. Savage. Yo, Sai, BIP JoJo, Youngin, Screech, I got y'all, man.